Hello, I thought I'd just show you this because it's the B model. Since I've shown you the A model kit, it's very similar, and try and quickly show you it. On the box you got the Israeli version of the two-seat B F-16 by Hobby Boss again. But the only difference, exactly the same sprues as before with the A model, but you got the B model two-seat top. So as I suspected, the only difference is you get a different top. You got the A model tail to instead of the extra from the C model tail there, I think it is. A model tail, and although that might not have a aerial on it, I'll have to compare that. Anyway, not now. You can look at the other video for that. Exactly the same sprue, but you get a packet of two-seat top. I'll publish this on the same day. You've got the canopy there. It's clear. I think it looks alright. I can't really see any without opening it, and it should be a mid canopy frame there, but you can judge where that is and put it on with a bit of tape if you can't see anything actually there. But the instructions, they're very limited. Well, it's not limited, they're succinct, I think is the word. They just put them on one A3, two sides of A4, A3 paper. It's just the general run through. So bear in mind, but they're all you need really. These are the all painting instructions and which one to use and the options there. Don't know why you got options there because I don't know, perhaps there's different options for different decal options. Sprue map, and that's just the obvious. There's a decal. The decal itself, the livery we got, like I say, there's a Swedish version first. Not Swedish. Rewind that, delete it. Israeli version first. The Swedish make their own planes, so they wouldn't use a F-16. They got a Gripen and the other ones before. The big one in this era of the X-16 started. But that's the Israeli one on the box. And the second one, which for a company, unusual for a company which is made in China, is the Taiwan Air Force. So you think they'd be political about that, wouldn't it? But yeah, that's grey, supposed to be, not blue. There's like a nice sort of decorative sun logo on the back of that. From 2007. Taiwanese Flying Tigers style roundel. And the likewise the decals are good condition. I feel they're not very raised, and they're pretty good. I won't open them because there's some. I won't have the window open when I open these packets because whatever's in the bag when they were sealed is still in there. So it sounds a bit paranoid, but when something's been made in China, I don't know what's necessarily with it. Sorry anybody's offended by that thought, but there we are. Alright, so there we are. That's all I wanted to show you. Didn't want to take too long. That's the two-seat variants. You get option for the F-16 Fighting Falcon, or Vipers they call them these days, but in those days it was the Fighting Falcon, wasn't it? Two seats. Alright, bye bye.